And the winner is MSP Manufacturing.
MSP Manufacturing was awarded for its bold and multi-layered integration of Industry 4.0 technologies, from advanced machining and robotics to AI-driven programming, digital twin initiatives, and next-generation ERP systems. Judges praised the company's willingness to take smart risks and continuously upskill its workforce. And that investment is paying off by expanding capacity, increasing wages, and opening doors into new sectors. This is what modern manufacturing can look like when innovation and people move forward together. Congratulations.
Well, thank you, everyone. I didn't prepare anything because I didn't think our chances were great, but very honored. Like the previous gentleman, it's the team we have at MSP when you don't have to worry about replacing people and you can continue to innovate without having to worry about hiring. That's why we're able to be innovative, is because of the team we have. And what's been great is I am a veteran, and supporting the programs for the warfighter has been awesome because we create parts that I was the end user on at one point. So it gives great purpose for our mission. But couldn't do this without the two biggest supporters, which is my dad and my wife, who are here with me tonight. So thank you.